Hello student. Now the learning outcome of today's video. First we see searching and searching methods. Then we see linear search and then we see one example of linear search. So these are the learning outcome of today's video. In data structure, second chapter is searching and sorting, which have 12 marks. So in this chapter we see the searching methods and sorting methods. First, we see the searching, what is searching and various searching methods. Searching is the process of finding a given value position in a list of value. So simple searching means we find the position of some specific element in the given list. It decides whether a search key is present in the data or not. So it it gives the output like some element is present in the list or not. It is the algorithmic process of finding particular item in collection of items. It can be done on internal data structure or on external data structure. So this is about searching. Next, searching methods. To search an element in given array, it can be done in following ways. So there are two types of searching. First one is linear search and second one is binary search. We see brief about the linear search and binary search in next some slide and video. Then we see first method of searching, that is linear search. It is also called as sequential search. So let us see. In linear search, search element is compared with each element from the list in a sequence. So the concept is one list is given and one search key is given. We want to find the search key in the list. So to perform the linear search, key element is compared with each element from starting element to ending element. Comparison start with first element from the list and continues till number is found or comparison reach to the last element of the list. So it compare key element with every element in the list, and if you find the element, then it return the index of the element. As each element is checked with search element, the process of searching required more time. So the linear search required more time. So the time complexity of linear search is O in bracket n, where n indicates the number of element in the list. Linear search on sorted array. On sorted array, search take place till element is found or comparison reach to an element greater than search element. So in a sorted array, the linear search is quite easy or take less time as compared to unsorted array. So this is about linear search, and we see some steps of linear search, and then we see one example of linear search. Many time in examination question is asked, what is linear search? Explain with example for 4 marks. So it is one important question in second chapter. Then next we see steps in linear search, how we can perform the linear search. So first, linear search is implemented using following steps. First step is read the search element from the user. So first we read the search element that we want to find in the list. Second step, compare the search element with the first element in the list. So second step is the search element is compared with the first element of the list. Step third, if both are matched, then display given element is found and terminate the function. So if the first element is matched with the search element, then the message is displayed and searching is search function is stop or terminate. Then next step, if both elements are not matched, then compare search element with the next element in the list. Then next step, repeat step third and fourth until search element is compared with last element in the list. So repeat the step third and fourth until last element of the list. If the last element is in the list also does not match, then display element is not found and terminate the function. So these are the steps of linear search. When we take the example, that time we perform all the steps to perform the linear search. Next we have some MCQs. First question is dash dash search element is compared with each element from the list in a sequence. Options are linear search, binary search, third option both A and B, and last option none of this. So answer of this question is linear search. Linear search element is compared In linear search, element is compared with each element from the list in the sequence. Next question, state true or false. Searching can be done on internal data structure or on external data structure. So options are true and false. So answer of this question is true because this statement is true. Last question is time complexity of linear search is. First option O in bracket 2n, second option O in bracket n minus 1, third option O in bracket n plus 1, last option O in bracket n. So O means simple big O notation and n is the number of element in the list. So answer of this question is O in bracket n. So this the time complexity of linear search is O in bracket n. So this is about linear search and MCQs. Next we see example of linear search. Consider input list 65, 20, 10, 55, 32, 12, 50, 99 and search element is 12. So in examination also the question asks for demonstrate the use or find the element by using linear search. So one list is given and one search element is given. So first we represent the list by array. So this is array of the all elements, or it is we can say list. All elements are arranged continuously, and these are the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the index of element, and elements are arranged. And our search element is 12. So simple, we represent the list in representation of array. So next we start the iteration. Step 1, search element is 12. It's compared with the first element, that is 65. So our search element is 12 and compare with 65. Both are not matched, so move to next element. So not matched, so we move to next element, that is 20. Next step, second, search element 12 is compared with 20. Again same, both are not matched, so move to next element, that is 10. Third step, search element 12 is compared with the next element 10. So 12 is compared with 10. Again same result, both are not matched, so move to the next element. So again next step, step 4, search element 12 is compared with next element 55. So 55 is compared with 12. Again result is same, both are not matching, so move to next element, that is 32. So next step, step 5, search element 12 is compared with next element 32. So again comparison is done, 32 with 12. Result is same, both are not matching, so move to the next element, that is 12. Okay. Then next step 6, search element compare with next element 12. So here both are matching, so we stop the comparing and display element found at index 5. So index of this element is 5. This is index. So the output is display like element found at index 5. So this is about linear search. If the element is not present in the list, if the 12 is not present in the list, so comparison is done up to last element, and the result is element is not found in the list. Okay, so this is about linear search and example. Very important question for 4 marks. Then next we have some MCQs. The array is as follow: 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. At what time the element 6 is found? Options are 3, third call, fourth call, fifth call, and sixth call. So answer of this question is fourth call, because the element 6 is present at fourth position. 1, 2, 3, and 4. At fourth position 6 is present. So answer of this question is fourth call. The element 6 found at fourth call. Next question: what is the best case runtime of linear search algorithm on an ordered set of elements? Options are O bracket L 1, second option O bracket N, third option O bracket log N, last option O nx. Answer of this question is O bracket 1. Last last question is linear search algorithm used in. First option, when the size of the data set is low. Second option, when the size of the data set is large. Third option, when the data set is on order. And last option is never use. So answer of this question is when the size of the data set is low. Linear search algorithm used in when the size of data set is low. So these are the MCQs related to the linear search. Thank you.